Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2012 Toyota 86, stock number 6253. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2021. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror, left front door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch thick yellow mag, good tyre. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel, flat tyre. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.